Angwin traffic, 80333, turning final 34, full stop, Angwin.
Hi, I'm Seth H, and I'm here at the Angwin Air Expo, right here in Angwin, in the hills above the Napa Valley. This was a very well thought out event. They provided a lovely breakfast, as well as a climbing wall for the kids, and even some other snacks like popcorn and cotton candy. This expo was fun for the whole family. For just $10 per person, the pilots were giving rides in their planes. Needless to say, there were a lot of smiling faces getting on and off the aircraft. Here's one group waiting to board, and another group on board waiting for takeoff. Up and away they go.
Well, we're excited to have the Air Expo here at the Angwin Airport today, and it's really the first time in over 10 years that we've had this event, and we're hoping that it's the first of many to come, that we'll have it be an annual event again for the community to just come out and see the airport primarily, but also learn about PUC's aviation program. And we're partnering for this event this year with DART, which is the Disaster Airlift Response Team. And they really have brought in a lot of other additional resources related to disaster response. So we have fire engines here today from Angwin and Napa Valley, Calistoga. And so it's a fun community event. And like I said, we hope to have it be an annual event from here on out. Given the turnout today, I'm optimistic that the community would support it.
There were plenty of aircraft on display for folks to walk around and take a look at. Let's see some of the aircraft they had.
Angwin Air traffic, carried 15824 at Napa Valley Airport, 45 right down by 34 Angwin.
We even saw some personalized hangars furnished with more than just planes. Take a look at these classic cars that were also on display. This was definitely an event to remember, and one that you don't want to miss the next time it comes around.